Okay, progress report for today. Jim asked me, that's my husband's name, to go in and remove all these nails and things. So it'll be easier to fix it later. That's something I can do myself. So that's what I'm doing today. We left this cabinet. It's original. And we left this cabinet. That's the support. That's the main support. Is this cabinet right here. So that is staying. I haven't decided if I'm gonna strip it or sand it. Oh, Mackers is onto something back there. Anyway, I'll let you know. But I think this hardware is original. I think. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Removing little tiny nails.